If you want to pixelate something in Photopea, whether it's a face, text, a logo, or even an entire layer, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Pixelating is a great way to hide sensitive information, blur out details in a more blocky style, or create a cool graphic effect fast without needing advanced editing skills. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and editing guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next tutorial. Alright, let's get started. First, open your image in Photopea and decide what you want to pixelate. If you only want to pixelate a specific part of the image, like a person's face or a section of text, you'll want to make a selection first. You can do this with the rectangle select tool by pressing M, or use the lasso tool by pressing L if you need a more custom shape. Simply drag around the area you want to protect. This step is optional, so if you want to pixelate the entire layer, you can skip it completely. Next, make sure the correct layer is selected in the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is important because whatever layer you choose is the one Photopea will apply the effect to. If you have multiple layers in your project, click once on the layer you want to pixelate so it becomes active. Now go up to the top menu bar and click Filter, then move to Pixelate, and then choose Mosaic. This is the filter that creates the pixelated block effect in Photopea. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear with the mosaic settings. Inside that window, you'll see the cell size slider. This controls how large or how small the pixel blocks look. If you drag the slider to the right, the blocks get bigger and the image looks more heavily pixelated. If you move it to the left, the blocks get smaller and the effect becomes more subtle. Adjust the size until it looks exactly how you want it. Then click OK to apply the effect. If you made a selection before applying the filter, Photopea will usually pixelate only that selected area, which is perfect for censoring faces, emails, usernames, or private details. If you skip the selection step, the mosaic effect will apply to the entire layer instead. Now here's a really useful pro tip. If you want to keep your edit non-destructive, right-click the layer before applying the filter and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then, when you add the mosaic filter, it becomes a smart filter. That means you can go back later and double-click the filter to adjust the pixel size anytime without starting over. This is the best method if you think you might want to fine-tune the effect later. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can pixelate part of an image or the whole layer in Photopea using the mosaic filter. It's quick, easy, and super useful for privacy edits, content creation, and graphic design. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.